Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at using drama and role play in your classes for teaching English. Let's check it out. One of, in my experience, the best ways to get students speaking and using and just engaging, immersing in English is to use drama and role plays in your classes. And this goes from young students to old students. It doesn't matter. What they do is it's constant use of speaking, not just with the drama, but kind of going over the vocabulary, the principles, discussion about the drama. And also it really engages students' imagination as well. Now, what you can do is you can actually you can take classic stories like Three Little Pigs or any sort of parable or fable that you might know, all these classic stories, and you can adapt them to fit whatever student level that you have, be it beginners, be it really advanced, and you can really mix and match the play to the student. You should know as their teacher their level, what vocabulary they know, the grammar and stuff, and you can match it to them. Kind of think of it in the way of like graded readers. You're doing graded drama, graded plays. An alternative is you can actually get students to create their own stories, create their own dramas. So not only do they speak English, but they have to write it out, they have to use their imagination, and they have to create their own thing, which I think is so much better. When doing drama or role plays, I highly recommend that you get the students to immerse themselves as much as they can in the character. A lot of the time, students can be quite shy and uncomfortable when they use English sometimes. But if you give them a character, it's not them that's speaking, it's the character that's speaking. So it's a good little psychological trick that you can use. One way to immerse them is to include crafts and other design projects within the drama. So get them as part of the classes to make the props, to make the costumes. They don't have to be elaborate. They could literally be, if you're doing Three Little Pigs, a picture of a pig on a headband or something like that. It just takes them out of who they are and into a character, and then it allows them to fully immerse themselves and go into that and kind of leave what the limitations of what they might think they have with English behind, and this new character can bring that in. And then you can always video record them and show them, look, this is how good that you're doing, and you're just acting that out. You can do it yourself. So it's a good way to reinforce English as well, and their good use of it, even if it's lines that they're following. An added benefit to doing drama and plays, role plays, is you can actually use them to build to something bigger. So one thing you could do, especially if you've got younger kids, is to build to a production. So you can actually have them speak in English, practice in English, but in the same time, they're creating something that they own, that they can then present to their peers, to their family, and to the school. So they get lots of credit and they feel really good because they've produced not just English, but something of their own, something creative. And generally, it's a lot of fun. It might be a bit stressful for you for organizing it, but it's a great way to learn English, and one of the ways that I highly recommend that if you can, just do it. What you should do as well is check out the box below, because we've got a link to our website and to other websites for great drama resources that we use and how we've built towards big productions and stuff like that. Please go check it out. If you enjoyed that video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.